I never thought that having a YouTube channel could help me heal one of my biggest challenges: consistency. As a true Sagittarius with a Gemini rising, I am wired for freedom, for exploration, for spontaneity, and showing up every week to record, edit, and post videos on YouTube was never really in my natural skill set. I mean, I love the creative part and, of course, the healing part because I know that my videos can help a lot of people. But the consistency part was a big challenge for me. But YouTube doesn't care about my astrology. It doesn't care if I feel inspired or if I'm in the mood to create. It asks one simple thing: will you show up anyway? And by the way, if you have no idea what this video is about, don't worry. Stay with me anyway until the end because there will be a little surprise for all of you and then everything will make sense. So, this is what really surprises me. YouTube is healing me in a way that I didn't expect. It is teaching me commitment and structure, two things that I spent years avoiding. And in shamanism, medicine isn't always what you expect. Yes, we have our traditional medicines like sweat lodge, ayahuasca, and other plant teachers. But sometimes the right medicine looks very ordinary. Sometimes the medicine is just committing to a YouTube channel because it's an invitation to show up in a way that I never thought possible for myself. So that's how this channel is helping me rewire my nervous system. It is teaching me how to stay present. And you don't earn trust from the spirits and from people, like in relationships, through intensity alone. I used to be like that. I was always like very intense, but less consistent. But I learned that to earn trust, the way is through reliability, by choosing to come back to your path even on days when you feel tired, uncertain, or distracted. And today, I'm incredibly happy to celebrate with you 1,000 subscribers. Our family is growing. Thank you so much to everyone who has been walking this path with me. This channel has become more than just a way to expand my work. It has become medicine for my soul. And this milestone is not just mine, it's yours too. And because this moment is about giving back, I'm giving away 2 copies of my book, Addiction Free: A Shamanic Path to Healing and Lasting Freedom. And let me tell you why I chose this book as a gift for 2 of you. First of all, we all have addictions. It might be coffee, shopping, overworking, social media, or even toxic relationships. Yes, those can be addictive too. Watch this other video to understand what I mean. But let's now talk about your gift. This is a very practical book. It's not spiritual blah blah blah. And it's not about shame or willpower or fighting addiction. No, it's about understanding what the addiction is trying to show you and working with it instead of against it. For each addiction in chapter 1, I explain its spiritual and shamanic meaning so that you can understand what's really underneath the pattern in your life. There is also a whole chapter, it's chapter 4, about ancestral addiction, because if your ancestors carried heavy trauma or also heavy addictions, this can live on in your ancestral field and express itself through you and through your addictions, of course. So this book also includes a ritual designed to help you work with and heal these ancestral patterns. Another important part is about the energetic contract that you have with your substance or with your behavior. Because, if your addiction is cannabis or coffee, all right, those are plants, so they have plant spirits. But even with things like social media or gambling, there is still an energetic relationship or an energetic contract. And this book helps you understand this contract and shows you how to consciously change it. There is also a full chapter on changing your environment, and that's so important because healing doesn't happen in the same environment that created the addiction. And the worksheets, they are so powerful. They help you gain new insights and create a clear individual action plan step by step to heal your addiction. So you see, this book is meant to be used, not just read. And in the end of the book, you will find bonus sheets with 5 shamanic rituals working with the spirits of the elements to heal addiction on emotional, mental, physical, and energetic levels. And what's absolutely cool is the final ritual. It is so great. It helps you connect with the future you, so the version of you who is already healed and already has no addictions. So if you would like to win a copy of this book, either in English or in German, here are the giveaway rules. Write a friendly comment under this video and make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. So everyone who does that, everyone who is a subscriber and writes a friendly comment under this video will be included in the giveaway. And in my next videos, I will announce the 2 winners. The timing of the next video might be a little bit flexible because I will be next week in the jungle living with the Yawanawa tribe. But as soon as I'm back and recording, I will announce the winners. Each winner will receive a copy of the book. Thank you again so much for being here and for supporting this channel. This space exists because I show up and because you show up. I wish you a wonderful journey to yourself.